I've heard it all. Our conversations got me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, welcome. For my returning subscribers, hey fam, how's it going? I hope all is well with you guys. So for this video, I'm just going to be showing you guys how I installed this wig. So this wig I actually got from Amazon. It is from the brand Sensational, but I will let you guys know all about it in the next clip. And stay tuned to see how I install the wig. So this is the wig that I will be installing today. So this is the butter lace, wet lace from Sensational Hair. So I have the box it came in. This is in the color Flamboyage chocolate, which is why it's this gorgeous chocolate brown at the end, and it's like very much more like an ombre looking because the top is darker than the rest. I really like the color of the wig. It is about 16 inches in length. It comes with HD lace and pre-plucked hairline and baby hairs at the edges, so you guys already know that's always a plus. And the lace is like from ear to ear, so that will be about like a 13 by 4 lace. Well, as always, I'm just going to make sure I adjust the bands at the back so it just fits more snugly on my head. So now I'm pushing back the hair and all the baby hairs because we do not want to cut that. So taking my scissors, I'm going to like start cutting and like parting the lace more so. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my Got To Be spray and then I'm going to move the individual flaps back and spray. So now taking my wig band, I'm going to tie that down. So now I'm going to apply another layer of the Got To Be spray over the lace now, just to make sure it really stays and holds in place, because I don't want to have to reapply again like tomorrow. So I'm really trying to make sure this is like nice and secure and I don't have, and my lace is not lifting. Once again, I'm going to tie the the lace down. So I'm gonna leave this on for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then I'll take it off and then I'll cut the lace. So I'll be back in a little bit. Okay, so now we're going to take this off. We're going to cut the lace using an eyebrow razor. Let me grab my mirror so I can see what I'm doing. Really hard. So this is the wig fully installed. All that's left really to do is to like fix the baby hairs on it. I would do that with like some mousse or some gel. So I'm not a huge fan of baby hairs when it comes to my wigs. So I like when wigs already come with them, so I don't have to really worry about doing them. But I personally am not like super crazy about baby hair. So for me, baby hairs are whatever. But yeah, that's really much all there is to it. You can put some foundation on the lace before you glue it down or afterwards. I would just go in and put some foundation along the hairline because it's a little bit lighter than my complexion. So I would just put some of my foundation on it so it just blends more in with my skin tone. I will say that this lace is pretty HD. Like it's not like super like obvious, you know, but you would still need to like either bleach the knots and bleach the lace, or you can just apply some foundation to it, and that's the easy way out in my opinion. So that's what I'm going to do. I really love this color, especially for fall. You guys know fall colors are like more browns, coppery, reds. At least those are the colors I like to wear when it's fall. But this color is definitely giving. It is fully synthetic, so you know, if you're not someone who likes synthetic wig, this might not be the wig for you. But honestly, it's giving like body. It's so fluffy and not too big, but it's big enough for like a curly wig. So I really do like it. I like the fact that the roots are darker than the rest of the wig, so it looks a little bit more natural. But overall, I definitely really like this wig a lot and would recommend it. But as always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you subscribe, you hit that like button, and leave a comment down below letting me know which part of the video you liked and what exactly about it you really enjoyed. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.
Baby, what you mean that I don't feel no way? You want sympathy, but I don't feel the same. All my bitches with me and we pay.